Have you ever wondered how much of a difference one person could do in a world full of negativity? Hello everyone, I'm Jason Grayson. I am here to tell you about the importance of preserving wildlife. You are here because either you care about wildlife or you want to learn how to be more wildlife conscious. I've spent the majority of my life interacting with wildlife, and I can tell you firsthand about the devastation that our species is causing to almost every other species in which we share the earth with. During this brief discussion, I will cover some vital statistics, inform you of a few foundations you can join to show your support, and I will give you some advice on how you can do your part to preserve wildlife. First, let's talk statistics. Numbers paint a far better picture about this grave situation. So I'm going to tell you some numbers about a few species. Now, population is defined as the entire number of live animals within a certain species. The first species I would like to talk about is the cheetah. According to Suzanne Zembler, just 100 years ago, the spotted cat was a common sight in Africa and Asia. There were about 100,000 cheetahs in the world. Today there are only about 10,000 cheetahs left in the wild. Some other sad statistics that hit us right here in our own backyard is the American fish. The American fish have started to decline in numbers. Such species as the black sea bass, the triple tail, and the saltwater catfish are all species that are showing declines because of our disregard. According to Holmes-Ralston, of the endangered fish of the world, about 70% are in North America. And of that 70%, only 56% are receiving some degree of protection. Another species I'd like to speak about is the North American mule deer. North American mule deer live anywhere from the west part of Texas on up through Canada and as far west as the east coast of California. In its 2013 statement by Audie Cornish, mule deer are vanishing. In Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah, populations are half of what they were in the 1970s. Now you've heard some very alarming statistics. I would like to tell you about a few foundations that you could join to show your support. There are great foundations out there to help out land-dwelling animals. And they consist, here's a few, Mule Deer Foundation, the Panda Foundation, and the Elk Foundation. To help protect aquatic life, you could join the Sea Turtle Foundation, the Save the Whales program, or the Save the Dolphins program. Another aspect that is often overlooked is the habitats of these animals. We take these for granted, but there are organizations out there, such as the millions of acres provided for wildlife preservation, the natural forest, and the wetland programs. Now, you don't have to join a foundation to do your part. Where you could probably do your best is just by respecting Mother Nature. Recycling plays a major role in keeping these animals out of our harm's way. Recycling's easy. You separate your plastics from your glass. You separate your metal from your cardboard. Set it out in the street, picks it up, it goes to recycling instead of to a landfill, which keeps it out of our habitat's way. Another way is to, if you're at the park and you're walking and you see a piece of trash, just simply pick it up, put it in your pocket. It won't be long before you're near some place where you can throw it away. And then at the end of the day, you're going to feel better knowing that you did something for Mother Earth. The last thing I'd like to talk about is just cleaning up after yourself in general. Us humans make a big mess. If you're out camping, we're out there, we have cans, bottles, food wrappers. Simply leave a place in a better condition than what you found it. We've covered vital statistics, a few foundations that you can join to show your support, and I've even given you some advice on how you can do your part to help preserve Mother Nature. I hope I've given you a better understanding about the importance of preserving wildlife, and I challenge each and every one of you to do your part and show your respect for Mother Nature. Again, I am Jason Grayson. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.